Kendall here from the Midnight Oil blog. I usually do DIYs, crafting, all of that, but I needed to share this with you. This is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and it is amazing. I bought mine for $45 it was on sale on Amazon for $45, and it was worth every single penny, and right now it is on sale for $35. So get yourself one of these. But I wanted to share with you how I do my hair with this. I don't know anything about hair. I'm terrible at doing hair. I tried to like round brush and blow dry my hair, and it was just a nightmare. I have pretty like wavy textured hair, and it's really thick, and like the round brush would just get stuck up in my hair. It was terrible, and this has been a game changer for me. So I'm gonna just walk you through how I do it and how long it takes me so that you can see and decide if this would be a great thing for you. You start with your hair wet, so I'm just gonna take the towel off and just brush out my hair to start, and then I just do it layer by layer. So I hope you enjoy this and that this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I just brush out my hair and I start by putting it in the first layer. I'm gonna do a total of 4 layers for my hair. And I wanted to show you guys real fast the different settings. There is a cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting. I do my entire head of hair using the high setting, but it can get really, really hot and very steamy. So it's nice that there are other options. So there is a bit of a learning curve when you first start using this product. I wasn't sure what hand to hold it with and what hand to hold my hair with, and I kept turning it off and turning it back on. I finally kind of figured it out, and I'm right-handed, so I hold the curler in my right hand and I hold my hair with my left hand. And I basically just start at the root, and I spend a lot of time up at the root because that is the most difficult place to get fully dry, and you want to get it as dry as you can. So I hold it up at the root for a while, and then I slide it down, and then I kind of wrap the bottom to get that really nice under curl, like that Rachel from Friends under curl happening. Every once in a while, I take the entire hair that is down and I wrap it around just to, again, reinforce that curl going under. It can get really steamy, especially if you're doing this in a small room, so I have to open the door and kind of air it out a little bit. So on my last layer, I just take a comb and I do my part, and then I kind of start at the back because I have curtain bangs. And so I start at the back and I get the back as dry as I can, and then I will focus more on the front and the styling of my bangs. Now, if your hair dries really fast, you can always use a little squirt bottle and spray it to make it wet again so that you can restyle it. You guys, that took 13 minutes. And I even talked at the beginning of this video, so it probably only took 11 minutes. And I have like a few flyaways, but that's all right. I'll just probably put a little bit of like lotion on the flyaways. Boom. This is the greatest thing ever made, and you all need to buy it. For real. I'm not being paid to say this at all. I wish I was, but I'm not. I just really wanted you all to know how incredible it is.